Are you tired of paying massive monthly bills for streaming services just to watch a movie? It is time to embrace the world of free and legal streaming platforms. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, we are going to show you 7 underrated platforms that let you stream high-quality movies for $0. Let us jump right in and get your entertainment setup fixed. Step 1 is to check out YouTube Movies. You do not even need to leave the platform you are on right now. Navigate to the left-hand menu on the homepage and click on Movies and Shows. Scroll down slightly to find the Free-to-Watch Movies category. Click See More to unlock hundreds of feature films completely free. You can also explore the free television shows listed right below this section. Step 2 is to use Tubi TV. Head over to the official website or open the app on your smart TV. Simply click Start Watching to browse the massive catalog. Click on Browse in the top navigation bar to see the most popular movies section. You do not have to register an account to start streaming. However, creating a free account allows you to build a custom watch list and saves your viewing history. Step 3 is to deploy the Fandango Vudu application. This service offers a mix of premium paid content and a large selection of free digital movies. Click on the Free tab on the top navigation bar to filter out the paid options. You can sort the results by release date to find the absolute newest editions. Click the filter button and select Fresh only to show movies with high scores on the tomato meter. Step 4 is to open Freevee. This popular ad-supported platform gives you premium on-demand content for free. Click on Start Streaming on the main page and navigate to the most popular movies section. When you click See More, you get a full list of high-quality titles. Hover your cursor over any movie title to instantly check the official IMDb score. Aim for movies rated 6.5 or higher to guarantee a great viewing experience. Step 5 is to download the Roku channel. You do not need a physical Roku device to enjoy this platform as it works on most web browsers and smart TVs. The homepage allows you to choose between live broadcast television or on-demand films. Check out the Leaving Soon section to catch great films before they drop off the platform. You can also browse the New Arrivals tab to stream recently added hits. Step 6 is to access the free tier on Peacock TV. This streaming network requires you to create a user account, but registration is entirely free. Once you log in, click on the Movies tab at the top of the screen. You can stream any movie that does not have a purple feather icon in the corner. Simply browse through the catalog to find the free titles and start streaming high-quality network media. Step 7 is to launch Pluto TV for an instant television experience. The moment you open this app, a live channel will automatically start playing just like traditional cable. Use the timeline guide at the bottom of the screen to see what is currently broadcasting. If you prefer on-demand films, click the On-Demand tab at the top. Select most popular movies on the left menu to view their entire free catalog. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. Free streaming websites and third-party apps frequently experience heavy buffering and sudden video drops caused by your internet service provider. A premium VPN keeps your online streaming fully anonymous and bypasses strict provider network limitations. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that link to secure your brand new streaming setup today. Embrace these free legal options and stop wasting money on expensive movie rentals. Drop a like on this video if these streaming platforms helped you out. Leave a comment below with the title of the movie you are watching next. Smash that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.